In this video, I'll show you how to scan documents to PDF using Google Drive. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, if you have written down some things on your notebook and you love to scan it to documents so as you can be able to keep it on your Google Drive as a PDF, I'll show you what you need to do. Open up your Google Drive. Click on this plus icon. Click on Scan Documents. So wait for it to open up. So carefully take it up. Yeah, so I think this is the document. I'm going to click on Save. So if you click on Save, now you're going to be able to see this. So this is the name of the document. You can come on here and edit it if you want. So I'm going to just come and type in my documents. Click on Done. So location, it should be on your Google Drive. So once you're done, you can click on this Upload. You can be able to upload this PDF that you have scanned like as documents here on your Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next video.